Hello everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this PAC Eye Care series. This is a set of makeup brush sets launched by PAC Cosmetics, and they have launched eye care brush sets. They have even launched face care brush sets. I got my hands on this PAC Eye Care series because I was in desperate need of good eye brushes, so yeah, that's why I got it. I bought these brushes from Amazon. So this set of brush costed me 2595, which is around 2600, and on that I had to pay delivery charges, that is rupees 50, which I somehow did not like because A, I am an Amazon Prime member, and B, I'm already ordering something which is above 1000. So generally all websites free you from all kind of delivery charges if you order something above 1000, and this set costed me 2600, so I was not kind of happy with giving delivery charges. So all in all, this brush set costed me 2645, which is around 2650. So yeah, that's the cost of this brush set. So this comes in a cardboard packaging where you have a picture in front of all the possible brushes you could have inside, and on the back it is written what is in the box and about the PAC Eye Care series, and also they have given instructions on how to wash them. So basically they have advertised all of their brush cleansers behind the box. So this brush set has 8 makeup brushes in it. If I calculate an average cost of a PAC Cosmetic brush, eye brush for that matter, it retails for rupees 500 on an average, and this brush set has 8 brushes in it. So if I calculate, so for say if you're buying 8 brushes from PAC Cosmetics, that will cost you around 4000 rupees. Wow, this is a really good deal. I'm getting all brushes at rupees 2600, so that's really a good deal. Let us open and find out what's inside it. So when you open it, it comes in a pouch like this where PAC is written over it, and when I open it, I would have been more happy if the brush case would have been a little sturdy, because if I'm gonna keep it somewhere and it's gonna get twisted, the brush bristles get twisted, which is really annoying. And when I open it, it is like this. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes here. So the first one is a flat brush. It's a flat shader brush for applying eyeshadows all over your eyelids. The second brush is a fluffy blending brush. The third brush is a tapered blending brush, like it's a flat tapered blending brush. Next brush is a pencil brush. Next brush is again a flat tapered blending brush. So basically there are 2 flat tapered blending brush. This one is quite soft, so I'm thinking that it can go into the corners of your eyes and blend the powder very well. And this has a slight pointy edge, so it can go again into the corners of your eyes, and it will be great in blending cream eyeshadows or glitter eyeshadows for that matter, because this one has quite hard bristles as compared to this one. This one has softer bristles. I can find that all the brushes that I'm showing to you guys is quite small in size as compared to the actual size of PAC brushes. I don't know why they have reduced the size, maybe because they wanted to make it travel friendly or something, which again I really like. Next brush is this, again a flat brush. This is quite small in size and it can be great in highlighting your brow bone, or even putting eyeshadows on your lash line, or even concealing around your eyebrows. And the next brush is a fine liner brush, which can be used as a lip liner as well as for eyeliners. And the last one is this angled brush, which has the spoolie on the other side, and which can be great in taming your eyebrows. This angled brush can be great for filling in your eyebrows or even defining your eyes or your lips. So guys, overall this is what is in the PAC Eye brush set, and I think this is really a value for money deal. This brush set can be really good for beginners, and this is not the first time that I'm using PAC brushes. I have been using PAC brushes. I have quite PAC brushes with me. I even have their face brushes and some of their eye brushes, and you can trust me when I say that PAC brushes are really great, and plus they are really affordable. Their quality is really good. They are cruelty free, which also means the bristles that they use for their brushes are not human hair or animal hair for that matter. They use synthetic material for their brushes. The brushes quality is very soft and I really like this. Plus these are quite small and they come in a case. They are quite travel friendly and you're getting really good value for money. So I would personally suggest you to go ahead and buy these brushes. And I also think that these brushes are not available individually because A, they are small in size. So I feel that these brushes are manufactured for brush set purposes, and also they don't have numbers on them like other brushes or generally which every makeup brush has. They are being embossed with a number on them, so it will be quite hard for me to tell you if you're going for a particular one brush you want, and for example you like something here and you want to go ahead and buy that individual brush, so it will be really difficult for me to tell you which number to go for because they don't have numbers embossed on them. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video and that was all for the review. I hope you liked the review. If you liked, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment your views below, and also you can request me whatever reviews or makeup looks you would want me to do. Like this video, share this video, and I'm gonna see you soon again. Till then, bye.